इंडिया में आईफोन बनाने बंद करो। जी हाँ, ये बातें कही यूएस प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप ने एप्पल के सीईओ टिम कुक को। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं नहीं चाहता कि एप्पल अपने प्रोडक्ट्स इंडिया में बनाए। इंडिया अपना ख्याल खुद रख सकता है। पहले आप ये वीडियो देखिए।
And we have Apple, as you know, it's coming in. And I had a little problem with Tim Cook yesterday. I said to him, Tim, you're my friend. I treated you very good. You're coming in with $500 billion, but now I hear you're building all over India. I don't want you building in India. You can build in India if you want to take care of India, because India is the highest, one of the highest tariff nations in the world. It's very hard to sell into India. And they've offered us a deal where basically they're willing to literally charge us no tariff. So we go from the highest tariff, you couldn't do business in India. We're not even a top 30 in India because the tariff is so high, to a point where they have actually told us, I assume you too, Scott, you were working on that also, that there will be no tariff, right? Would you say that's a difference? They're the highest and now they're saying no tariff. But I said to Tim, Tim, look, we've treated you really good. We put up with all the plants that you built in China for years. Now you got to build us. We're not interested in you building in India. India can take care of themselves. They're doing very well. We want you to build here, and they're going to be upping their production in the United States. Apple. So Apple's already in for $500 billion, but they're going to be upping their production.
लेकिन एप्पल कंपनी ने ट्रंप की बात नहीं मानी, बल्कि इसके उलट उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को ये एश्योर किया कि एप्पल कंपनी इंडिया में अपने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेटअप्स को जारी रखेगी। लेकिन सोचने वाली बात ये है कि आखिर ये सब बातें करके ट्रंप किसको खुश करना चाहते हैं? कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर जरूर बताइएगा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।